Hello, welcome to Yespoho. Today I will tell you how to become a partner at Yespoho. Firstly, open partner.yespoho.com. Now click on register at the top. Once you did that, you will a form on the next page like this. What you need to do here is to fill the form. Add your name in the first column, continue with adding email, password, and for confirming the password add the same password again. For the role, you can choose partner. You have to fill all the red start columns and leave the column which doesn't have a red star. Next comes business information like legal name, nickname, mobile number, company type, and so on. Then you have to fill in the address. First one is the mailing address and second one is the warehouse address. The warehouse address would be the address where the Yespoho person will come to collect the orders. If both the house that is mailing and warehouse address is same, the both can be same. Then come financial information where you need to add all the bank details. Then you have to fill in tax information, which is the PAN number and the Aadhaar card number. Once done, add your image or company logo and biography if have any. And click register. Ta-da, you are ready to go. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.